guys, I hope this video finds you safe and well. It's morning time here and I'm about to make breakfast, and a friend of mine taught me about baked eggs. How have I never made baked eggs before? They're awesome. They're so easy. So I make mine with prep brown rice, a little bit of sliced turkey, some spinach, because I like getting greens in whenever I can. Then you just throw it in the oven and then you can go do other stuff, come back and breakfast is ready. It's awesome. So here we go, baked eggs, breakfast time, let's do it. Great, so here's what we're gonna do. I have some organic olive oil spray. You just spray a little bit in each one. And then just kind of move it around any kind of excess. You can dab out. I also will make these with butter, but I don't have any room temperature butter right now. So that's why I'm just using my organic olive oil spray. So I'm going to put the rice in the bottom. My oven is heating up to 350. Then we're gonna add just regular sliced turkey. This is some organic sliced turkey I get from my deli. Sprinkle that down there. And you're gonna sprinkle spinach. And now we're just gonna drop an egg onto each one. And if it breaks, that's okay. Don't worry about that. You can also totally do this with a scrambled egg as well, but I really like having the yolk be a tiny bit runny. Sprinkle it with salt and pepper. And now we're gonna stick this in our oven at 350. After 6 minutes, we're gonna twist it around and then cook it for about another 8 to 10 minutes. And you wanna kind of make sure that the white gets down to the bottom there. So around the yolk, I'll just kind of poke around to make sure it's not just sitting on the top. So make sure it gets down to the bottom. Hi, love. I'm making some baked eggs.
Can I help?
Yeah. So you cut around the outside. It was about 15 minutes on one side, 15 minutes on the other. Breakfast is ready. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new one, and I will see you guys soon.